Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can put on the bands in Apple Watch Series 10. So it is a relatively quick and simple thing to do. All the bands that you will ever have an access to have those two notches from both ends. So take your band, position it like you would see it on your hand. Simply here you have those indents or the gauges, or I have no idea how this word is properly pronounced, like those notches here. So simply try putting on the bands here until you feel, or once you feel that it goes in, slide it in. You can try a bunch of orientation here if that's your first time. So, well, that didn't work. Let's try this indent instead. And once again, for you, this process may take a while in order for you to find proper positioning of your band and in order to, well, correctly put it on. Let me actually power off the Apple Watch first, so I will not accidentally press anything. So, let's see. I think that's how I would like for my Apple Watch to be. So let's try sliding the strap in. Yep, it slid right in. And now simply do the other end. So as you can see, it may take a while for you to try different configurations, but once you will properly and correctly position the band, it is going to easily slide in like that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.